This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Maria Tran. Pride of ownership. Amazingly remodeled/updated home. This 1.5-story home that offers tons of new, updated and quality. 3+ bedrooms, 3 full and 1/2 baths, 2-car garage, newer windows, electrical wiring, and plumbing, gas fireplace, high-efficient furnace, deck with grill built-in. Kitchen with casual eating, but if what you want is to be formal, you can serve in the dining room. Great garden area. For more information, review the details below or contact Maria Tran at 712-255-7310.